double chao sum no tenya is ko era he part ko le so si no bakhala le tesopa saru te sikhi no saru sikhi le ta no khota ro pakle kwa te se pho lo bakhala le tesopa no attack kwe bu te se pho no phe ne pathinya la so solo mo a theory a lot kini no pakitena mala pathinya sikola no saslo theory rock kine kera la rahoba ne awam written mana japala no reho buer na reho buer basana kiro bame kwa kila no pa isra po ata sitak to na kora la ra ho buer no awai ne meta la kera apokwa saslo mo pokwa no where pa ko pa ko pa ne no awe kera la kera kera sopa la apalo pasal na kira pe awe kera sopa lo kine po isa puti de pane no awe po itete mala thodu thoda no po isa puti de pa thodu thoda ho sa ro ne pe ni pe kle kwa la no raho bua ne there are 1 2 Sicha for all the Israelite has gone there to make him king no Pagitera mala, Paisa puti pakele casino, Eturo, Pagitera mala, Caparola, Sopa, Aginilo, Little Hutara Pacros Sukumotala, Takiway to Sepo, Pagitera mala, Paini saw, no, Rahaba, Levesu, no, Pagitera Masaki, Paine Kovara la Sichan, no, Saki, no. Awene pagitete mala awe lera sake no agide yi isila kele hesu sake ditu akapa ola sopalo no awene takaparo ola sopa no pagitete mala takaparo sopa no paido pagitete mala tama atati phala udiwe le kas nyati pha amane no one no Jeroboam no son of Nabal heard this no pagitena mala no pagitena mala naba phukwa no Jeroboam ne na hu wera la no pay ne na hu wera no na hu wera no heard this that he was stay in Egypt no aware odita la ko aptupu no pa wen no aware odita la ko aptupu no later no ko pay ne where he has fields from King Solomon no when a picture mala awa khile sopa soslomo muginam no ata no a no sopa soslomo over khiwera letana no he returned from Egypt no panela awa hakida kisu no Egypt no pane picture ma pe agide I khiwe soslomo odo so khayaba os wela kautu apolo no awa hakida kisu picture mala no Egypt pane ro picture ma so no the same for Jeroboam and he and the whole assembly of Israel went to Rehoboam and said to him no pane ne no Jeroboam ne awakera temale no kebe sopa no Rehoboam ne ke sopa pane no pagita ma talkie apalo sosolomo apalo no we talkie be pay do pagita mala no awani do bakale kwa pay ni no tebera pay ni no aware whole assembly Israel want to no Rehoboam and said to him no para paisa wakalane lewe su pagita mala no so raba o no so raba o ni no tebera no isla pho khale do katuta do sora baro siweda no siba wala no ita na kona no problem, my friends. Okay, no problem. Okay, whatever people can watch or people don't watch, no problem. This mean is that we reading about all is the Bible. Okay, we want to learn so many things. Okay, in the whole world happened before, and then after that we get something. Okay, in our hearts to learn this. Okay. ဒီတဲ့ခုကြတော့နေဒီတဲ့ခုကြတော့နေပကစုကမောလနော်စုပကစုကမောလပတောင်းမှုပုံမနော်ဒီတဲ့ခုကြတော့နေနော်ဖေတော့ပကလေကွာလဲတောက်တာစစ်တဖာလဲတာမနေတမီလဲနော်ဖေပကတဲ့တမလဲနော် he said နေနော်ပကတဲ့မှာ away နေနော် your father your father puts an heavy yoke on us but now no lighten the hearts labor and the heavy yoke import on us and we will serve you no porque mala no away ni takiro tala manuti misikole ni katuta ro no so ra khaba ne devada di le phe no no napa mako pano yubo do nena kegene I napa ta mako do ano yubo khole apala pelo I ma phui thoki ki de ra ma phui thoki mo no ma phui thoki de ki no ဘယ်တော့ပကမနတာလောနော်နံပါတ်မှာဖွေးတော့ကြောမနော်ပကမနတာနော်တော့စီပါဟာထော့သန်နီတော့ဟက်ကီဒါကီဆူယိုအိုတကီတော့ပေါကမှုဟာထော့ဝဲလောနော် and then နော်အဝဲတေဗရာလာဖိနေတေဗရာမနော်တေဗရာလာနော် Rehoboam I'm sure go away from 3 days and then come back to me so the people went away 3 days เนาะเตอดนี่เนาะแล้วแต่ခုတာတော့ပကစကမတာလဲတာဂက်တိဖိုင်မเนาะเตอดนี่นี่တမအစเนาะအဝိနေပကလေကွာဖိတ်စဖို့เนาะတော့6နေ the king เนาะ Rehoboam consulted the elders who had served his father Solomon during his lifetime how was you advise me to answer these people he asked now ဖနေတော့နော်စောဘယ်ဆောရပါနေနော်ဆောရပါနေအဝက်ကောဝရပွားသူကိသပွားတိတဖာနော်ကဲအဲ့တော့နာဟုနတုကလူမနော်ကဲစစ်ဆရာတော့ယဘစစ်ဆကိဝရပွားသူကိသနော်ပွာကညောတိတဖာလဲအဟက်တိကွာရနေယဘစစ်ဆကောနော် they replied if today you will be and servant to these people and serve them and give them a favorable answer they will always be your servant လာပကတဲ့မှာလဲနော်ဖာနေတော့တတ်တဲပါလို့မနစ်တမီလဲနော်တတ်တဲပါလို့မနစ်တမီလဲတော့ဝဲတိကတူတာတော့စီဝဲတာနမိကဲထော့ပါကောမှုအခေပေါ်လမှုမစတနီတော့မာအတတော့စီဆောတော့တကတူနော်တော့ကတူတကတူဟီတော့တော့နော်ကကဲထော့ဝဲလဲနခိနပွားလော်ထူလော်ယူလောမနော်ကကဲတော့ဝနခိနပွားနော် we don't believe about the Solomon making and people okay heavy yoke we don't believe that because okay Solomon had the wisdom and then how he can treat people easily to get but you think about easily okay but in the whole world no one be okay no one be good no one be good because of that everyone can mistake okay everyone can mistake okay little mistake this mean is that you are not good too okay that's mean about that okay here is the Solomon doing the why is the people asked to his son okay လက်တနခုတာတော့ပကစကမလို့ဝိနေနော်ဆောလမအတဖေတာမနေခဝဲထဲလေတော့တာခိဝဲတာတခွဲတရလအဖူခွာအိုနေဒီနော် but Rehoboam reject the advice idols gave him and consoled the young man who has grown up with him and were serving him နော်ပကတဲ့မှာအဝဲ reject ပဲမနော်အဝဲ reject ပဲစေတာနဲ့မေတ္တာလဲပကတဲ့မှာလားအဝဲတဟီနေပါနော်တဟီကုဝင်နေတဟီနေပါနော်အဝဲတဟီနေမှာတော့ねအဝဲကောရလာတာလဲအဒုထခုတော့နော်ပကတဲ့မှာ young people နော် young people နေပေါ်လဲအဒုထခုမနော်ပတ်တူတော့ထဲတော့မနော်ပကတဲ့မှာပတ်သူကိတာပါကလင်းတဟီနေတာပါလက်တန်ခေါ်အဝဲမှာကလေးပတ်တူတော့ထဲတော့နော်ဘယ်နေပါစားတော့လေတဲ့ပတ်သူကိတာပါအတကူလေအခုလိုဝဲတော့အော်တော့ကုလိုအသာတော့ပွာအသာဆာလာအဒုထောက်ခုတော့အော်လေအစတ်လေအမေညာတော့နော်ဝဲပတ်ဒုထောက်ခုတော့တိဖာနေဝဲစတ်ထောက်လေအမေညာမနော်အဝဲနေတေဝရာဖေးဒီလေနော်ပကလေကွာဖေးစက်ဖို့မနော်နော်ဖေးနေ he asked them what is your advice how should we answer these people who say to me lighten the yoke your father put on us no lighten the yoke your father put in on us ဖိနေပကတဲ့မလာတမအသနေမေတ္တမနေတမီလေနော်ပကလက်ကွာဖိစဘနော်ခွေနော်တော့စီလောပကမှုဤလအာကတူတာတော့ယာစီမဖွီထောနော်ရဘိုလနပါလပလူကီမဖွီတော့နော်ရဘိုလနပါလပလူနေကီနော်ဒီတူပကစီဆောတော့နော်သူကုစတာဒီလေနော်လက်ခိကူရလာပွာသာရှာလဒုထခုတော့နော်လက်တန်ကတော့ဖိတော့တဲတာတော့ပကတဲ့ဒီလေနော်ဝီဘလော့တော့တဲတာ them နော် the young man who has grown up with him replied tell these people who has said to you your father puts an heavy yoke on us but make our yoke lighter tell them my little finger is thicker than my father no waist up papa when they meet takota case no when they tell what I lemonade me no do pata sala adu talk who do or no do katuta or see where no do see where nabasi sir pagamule akatuta dona do see napa ma no you bull her mimi neda ma pito ola pagoni kini nabasi sir or the e no yesu sa tone yapa no ayodi kilo no yesu sa ne tone di yapa ayodi kilo no pain no awa basana kini pain page sukamola manitimi le no pain my father laid on you a heavy yoke I will make it even heavier my father's accused used with no wipes iron way no scorches you with no scorpion but them away no scorpion the then who are ni pay ni tevada la takatu til pani dile no do kagni yi ka tu kho tu lo pati khe lo no ka tu kho tu lo no play do away da ka tu kho lo pati khe kwa sikolo no 3 days later no Jerome asked the king and come back to me in 3 days no when it la no pakanyo te pha heveda ma no pakanyo te pha heveda no so ya ba do pagam khele hewesu no pite ma la no yakhaba ula no phai ni ula thani tani ni no do awati ni haki we sikolo no phani the king answered there pite ma la phani so passes severa no the king answer no so passes severa pite ma la tamne timi le phai no so passes severa di le no the king answered people harshly no pite ma la koko khe ma no harshly rejecting the advice given him by the idol. He followed the advice of the young man and said, my father makes you yoke heavy and I will make with scorpion. Let me tell you, pa play through the not kill on ye yani ye play through the forget mala no do particular no let an put out of progressimoda let target the bicycle no a pain pakale kwala no the silui no pain sicola not the silui no they were the pain dog to that or deep what a saku shata to ne do see whether Japa mat not to know your book do yeda ye ka pa a toilet to know your book and mala at a sepo devra the sea no 15 devra no so the king did not listen to the people for his trend of event was from the Lord not to fulfill the word Siloni no ဖနေတော့ပတိပါစစ်ကောလေတမသာလေတမီနော်ပြတော့ခစ်စီရနေတေဝရတယ်နော်တော့ဆော sorry တစီရမနော်တော့ဆောပါနော်တဒုကနာမပေါ်ကမှုအကလူပါအဂိတီဤနော်တဟဲဝဲလေယွာဒီတူအကမလေထောပွဲထောအတကတူလေယွာတယွာကတူဝဲတော့ဆောနဘာဖို့ခွာဆောရာဘာနော်အဝနေကဆရကတူတာတော့ဆောရာဘာဝီလီမနော်ခဲနေရကဟိနေကီဝရဘကတဲ့မလာဆဆလမအဘောမှုမနော်တော့ဘကတဲ့မလာရကပါတိနေအော try no one try no တခါဘကတဲ့မအဝနေကတူဝက်စစ်ကောဝီလီခိုတာရနေဒီယွာကတူပါဝဲသူနေအဝနေတာမာသာဝရနော်လောပစီလိုဖိုနော်ဆောအခီယာအစုပူလောပစီလိုဖိုဆောခီယာအစုပူမနော်လက်တခွရတော့ဖိနေတေဝရလနော်ယတစီခုနေတေဝရနော် when all Israel saw that the king refused to listen to them they answered the king why shall do we have in David why part in Jesus son to your tongue O Israel look after your own house O David saw the Israelites one home နော်လက်ခွရတော့ပတိညာစစ်ကောလဖိနေတေဝရလနော်တေဗရာအစ္စရေလခဲလတီဝဲလစောပါတဒုကနာအဂလူပါတဲ့အဖို့ခွာပူစုသူဒေတဖနော်ဘာအပူတကေနော်အစ္စရေလခဲကနေဤကွမ်နဟိဒနဲ့စောဒဝီနော်ဒေါ်အစ္စရေလဟာဝဲစုအဒေပူလောနော်အဲ့တော့ခိုးတော့ပသိညာစစ်ကောလေတာဂက်တိတဖာနဲ့စစ်ကောလောThe Sinai Bas now asked for the Israelites who were living in the town of Judah, now Rehoboam, stay rulers over them. Now, Pakistan name. Pakistan mala awanini, Jebra Sikola, Manitimile, no. Penny Israel pu, no, Uwela Judah away the Papuni, Sora ba, Gesopala, Pacolo, Israel, Uwela. No Pakistan mala no a lot of clear away pum no Pakistan ma ore no a wita we yuta a wita pa pun no awani kora la so no sora ba phane give so pa no the see no the king Rehoboam sent out Adoniram who was in charge of force labor but all Israel stoned him to death now king Rehoboam, however, manages to get into the chariots and escape to Jerusalem. Now, when I wear Bakhiwe, but get the mala away Bakhiwe, Penny saw Rahaba, Malo saw, no, Doso Rabba, no, lever quickly did to do a leak hat, did to a Kahiwe to Jerusalem. Penny no, where do I get you or where he was to Jerusalem, no? Or where back here, no? Forget the mala. Penny so Israel has been in rebellion against the house of David to his day, no? Pe mutanini, but then mala that Toda auto without no, so that way he put hopo, not Paisa put it about Toda way, no, but then not so that way he put hopo, no, but then my pen, no. Israel puto sodawi apahi po tumu satani no awani Israel puto no putama soda we hip no do basic on it because sokomola tati the pie beta umupulo no when all the Israelite heard that Jeroboam has returned, they sent and called him to the assembly and made him king over all Israel. Only the tribe of Judah remained loyal to the house of David. No, the general tell what to do, no, pa pogi vera pa mala sodawi akini no, tell what to do, no, pain, no. Nota Martha to Israel Kelena who will saw Rabba hacking dakido a wetted pa no Britana Malota do Kuni or Suta do Paula so Pala Israel Kelapa Palu saw Dawi Apahipo or tell Judah to do lo Paluera saw Dawi do ne or the Otra Judah to do no Judah put to do no Nada no kora pain it David Sigo Kissy no Britana Mala no Nada no kota on eh Propatu Pathasi color pain no Bakalele no Kissita no pain Bakalele no the whole house and 180,000 fighting men to make war against the house of Israel and to reign the kingdom for Rehoboam, son of Solomon. When they meet no Solomon of Rehoboam. Taditaya Panama, when Marawara Taditaya Panelo, no. Penny Bagale Pakwa, no. Tamata did Pani, no so, no, do so your by, no. Penny, but Tetty Mala, no, Christian, David Adile. Do Soraba Haki had to wear Le Jerusalem, do Poropo Juda, Pahi, Pokele. Do so be a me a dupa to polar tahuto no Tegalo Hola, no. Did to Akadutaro Israel Apahipo, did to Sicola, but Takitama Sicolo, no. La Kisikini, but Tetemala did pain, no. Terra but no. The word of God come to Semir, no. Simea, the man of God, said to Rehoboam, son of Solomon, king of Judah, to the whole house of Judah and Benjamin, and to the rest of the people. No, Pugitema, no, Panin. Devra Kisiki Kisuthernim, no, Kisutherni, Devra di, no. No, you are glue loba, you are Pacanyo, so Samaya, no, so Samaya, Panimono. No, see whether I could do that of Judah so pass or Solomon apokwa so rahaba no Judah do biami color no katuera mono pane awakatuera do pa to do ni color kasim no katuera ni no pain there no. This is what the Lord said to your brother, no, that is one of you, for this is my doing. So they obey the word of the Lord and went home again, as the Lord has ordered. Follow Todawada. No, yellow daro, and dopueva, let an hutaro, a wetted pane, deep in a dopa isla pon dopueva, no, let an hutaro kick right here. No, but the party, no, every one of you, no, to go at them, no, to quality sutalom, no, no pay no for this my dream. When the mitata away Yamaram, no, so I went little what the party do can now, you are glue, no, do not know that you are glue who's on it. Penny, no, Pugitera Mala, no, they went home again, no, Pugitera, where the kida, the sushi, no. No, as the Lord has ordained, no, Pugitera Mala, look aside you are, hilo taglu hujara away kira gesu away himono. Let us pacropatu pathala tagi the kai sikolo but tamopono. That against brothers sigranino against brothers sitan mitala particular mama. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. Away ni kasayo memba with Thayara, no, with the key with the lot clear out, no. But me erote batala casunya agi clone, no. Paleo thisico, no, paini, but mala, Bagaba later over the sep hoodie, no, little put on it, no. Over part of it, lea paini or a kissy on the thirsty, no, but then my thirsty monam, thirsty. Put on a bacapatu pelamo, but to pay e, copula minute milan, you know. Copula minute milan, you know. Away in metal, not that todu toda give it up, is up with toda give it up, no. Soda we a hippo copulo, no. Soda winning. Begin my guess of pani, miss of palagi, you are a or, no. You are all a dollar or to the Soslomo, honey, Soslomo, honey, Casayua, a or Basa Casaya Tiolan, made lupo, ye clan on the mema. Dij tatu tato, on the midugana jigluitani, Jacapa, to the sopa lotulema, to Napona little pa. Basa Nakiro saw no, but it must have some tamara dineba. Pay a neba or a mati the power mumulo away, because my top water a mati the pani no, Baha Akasara, where but Tiro never a Marcasa, Tago top hall, Jerusalem, because I'm a talo top hall with a runner. Lucky Giro Casaya senior girl, no, Casaya senior girl, with the lucky, no, Pukatagi law. Pukatagi a lot of Pathikwa, whatever, but it did a manner, okay. His son, okay, his son Sasab the king, no, and Basa Nakiro, Bakropatu Patala, but Taomu, no, but Taomu, no, let an Hudara Bakropatu Pata Sikolo Batamu, no, let an Hudarone. Pay a Pukasune, Tatonu Tada Utora, Dicasaya tape our atolo, no, Casaya tape our, no. Let an Hudara Bakropatu Pata, Lebatamu, let an Casaya me edo money. Petrol the normiva, no, Casaya me edor le sicone, petrol thiba, no, everything is prepared by God. A little hutarone, Pacropatu Pata Levatamu, Casaya me money, Babatulo, Kelekasino, Kaido put their mala paisa put their pane, a wethi, no, Payuta put the racket dura Israel, no, a double name, Casaya Teba, a wethi le Kiraki, no, Tidbale. Let the paisa put the dop weba, Hotarana, what they do na you are going to with a cable, no? Let an Hota Ditayane, the kid or ba, no, let an Hotarana, dop with it upon, no? A wetty uro, with a tapa to patak sodo, no, you are going to no? The gospel, okay, they are brothers, okay, they follow the God, no, God war, okay? God war is mean very, very good for everyone, no? Let an Hotarana. With the moon no matter where didn't to law, no. Then I will see you next time, my friend and my brother. You want to read in the First King chapter 12, and the 1 to 24. Okay, you can read it back there. This is okay. The king of Raho, no, Rahobiah. Rahobiah is the king of Rahobiah because Israel rebelled against. What is the reason for? Okay, the idols ask about this. Okay, this is a heavy yoke your father do for us. Okay, you should be okay. Release a little bit, and then we will do your job. But okay, Rahobiah is not do like this. Okay, he listened the young people, and then later then they against each other. Okay. We should think about every person. Okay. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother. God bless you all. Now, good night, everyone. Bye bye.